Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deactivate Messenger, only not Facebook. Let's get started. First things first, open Messenger app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once app is opened, click on the top left 3 lines option and then click on top settings option. After this, swipe down until Meta Account Center, then click on it. After this, click on personal details. After this, click on account ownership and control. Then click on activation or deletion and then select Facebook account. After this, click on delete your account as temporary and click on continue and then click on continue. Then enter your password and click on continue. It will ask you to create an Instagram password. Click on not now, then swipe down and select others and write that deactivate Messenger only but keep my Facebook. Then click on Deactivate My Account. And that's how you delete Messenger only but keep Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.